Today I'm making a super quick and delicious snack that tastes just like mini pizza from your favorite bakery, but even easier. I poured in some ketchup, then I added a little bit of oregano to give it that classic pizza flavor. You can already smell the delicious Italian style aroma starting to come through. After that, I mixed everything together until the seasoning was fully combined with the ketchup. Next, I grabbed my toast bread. I spread some of the ketchup and oregano mixture onto the first slice of toast, making sure to cover the surface evenly so every bite has flavor. Then I added a handful of grated cheese. You can use mozzarella, Gouda, cheddar, or any cheese you like that melts nicely. The cheese is what gives this sandwich that perfect gooey pizza texture. After the cheese, I placed 4 small pieces of salami on top. Then I placed another slice of bread on top to create the sandwich. I repeated the same process again, spreading more of the ketchup mixture, adding another handful of grated cheese, and finishing with more salami. This makes the sandwich extra rich, cheesy, and full of flavor. If you're enjoying these step-by-step air fryer recipes, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and stick around for more easy and delicious ideas. Once the sandwich was ready, I carefully placed it into the air fryer basket. I cooked it at 180 degrees Celsius for 7 minutes. During cooking, the bread becomes beautifully golden and crispy while the cheese melts perfectly inside. The smell coming from the air fryer at this point is absolutely incredible, just like fresh pizza. This recipe is honestly one of the easiest snacks you can make in the air fryer. It takes only a few ingredients, almost no preparation time, and the result is so satisfying.